Hello everyone, today we will be discussing about one of the advanced concepts of on-page SEO optimization known as phrase-based indexing or co-occurrence indexing or even co-occurrence matrix, whatever name you might feel so. Now the thing is, what exactly is a co-occurrence matrix or phrase-based indexing? The thing is, as the name suggests, co-occurrence basically means the number of different forms of entity names of what a given query can have. For instance, suppose my name is Tuhin and I am the founder of Thatware. So suppose if I write an article about Tuhin, then if I put lot of informations into one page such as Tuhin, founder of Thatware is located in Kolkata, Thatware provides advanced SEO solutions, the USP of Thatware is AI driven SEO concepts. So if I optimize the content with all of these aspects, then my content would be totally optimized for phrase-based indexing or co-occurrences, because my similar entity salience is being co-occurred where each of the entities are linked with each other, and ultimately my entire journey or the user persona is being satisfied. So this is a similar or a short concept which can be used for your day-to-day activities whenever you do any kind of landing page or blogs optimizations, where you can choose any one topic or any one particular keyword and can populate your entire landing pages with list of similar entities, just so that your co-occurrence or phrase-based indexing intent is satisfied. Thanks for watching.